Morning, Miss.
Good morning.
Okay, so since we have done the collection actually last time, and then some parts you failed, and then I will ask just for the part that you couldn't answer. Maybe I will start from CP question, yeah. And then there was misunderstanding between us last time. Actually, I asked about do you have any CP question for this week, and then you said you didn't, right? Yeah, I mean, like reviewing, that's also on CP question because you ask the students to answer, right?
Yes.
So I will ask from the first. Can you please mention some things that you can find in bedroom?
In bedroom, okay. Yes, I can be are bedroom. Yes. Bathroom or bathroom. Okay, so there. Yes, I can. They are spoon. Soap. Shampoo. No, sorry, miss. I miss it. Yes, they are soap and shampoo, and then shower.
Shower.
Okay, shower.
What is the function of a bathroom?
Okay, the function of bathroom is taking a bath.
The function of kitchen?
The function of kitchen is cooking.
Can you mention the name of room in a house?
Okay.
What are they?
Yes, I can. They are living room, bathroom, kitchen, and bathroom.
Can you mention the things in the kitchen?
Yes, I can. They are stove, spoon, chair, and fridge.
What can you see in the farm?
Yes, I can see the farmer and the farm animals, the grass.
What animals can you find in the farm? Animals.
I can find the farm animals are horse, hen, duck, cow, and goat, and sheep.
What does a hen can do?
The hen.
What does a hen can do? Hen.
A hen can I'm missing this part. The hen can forget about it. The hen.
Can you mention some foods and drinks?
Yes, I can. The food are bread, egg, and strawberry, and the drink is milk and water and juice.
What can you eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner?
Okay. I eat bread and egg for my breakfast, and then I eat salad and juice for my lunch, and then I eat the rice and fish. The rice and chicken for my dinner.
Can you mention kinds of shapes?
Yes, I can. They are triangle, shape, circles, heart, and rectangle.
What are the shapes of ball, sandwich, and book?
A ball, the shape of ball is circle, the shape of sandwich is triangle, and then the shape of book is a square.
Can you mention some things in the class based on shapes?
Yes, I can. The shape of triangle is clock, and the shape of rectangle is dashboard, and then
How about square?
the book. The shape of square is book.
Can you mention some colors?
Yes, I can. They are blue, green, yellow, red, black.
Can you mention some things that represent red, yellow, and green?
Oh, yes, miss.
Red, yellow, and green.
Okay, yes. The red from strawberry and chili. The green, the frog, and the leaf. And then one more, what, miss?
Green, yellow.
Green already, yellow, lemon, and orange.
Can you classify the animals that has short body?
Oh, the short body. Yes, I can. They are ant and bird.
Can you give an example of hard and soft thing?
The heart.
And soft thing.
Okay. Yes, I can. The hard thing is book and the soft thing is bread.
How about the example of smooth object?
Okay, the smooth object is tissue.
How about the rough object?
The round object is like durian.
Can you give example of hot and wet thing?
Give the example. Hot and wet.
Wet.
Okay, from the hot thing is
Wet.
the
Hot and wet.
Yes, the hot thing is book and the wet thing is ice. Oh no, sorry. The ice thing is like fish inside the aquarium.
That's wet.
Yes, that's
Hot.
Hot. The hot thing is book.
Book maybe not hot but dry.
Yes.
Yes, right.
Oh, fire.
What?
Stove.
Fire or book?
No, miss.
So?
Stove. Can.
Oh, okay. What happens when you touch ice?
It will be itchy in my eyes. I may not see well. I cannot see well if I touch my eyes.
Not ice. I mean the ice.
Oh, I feel so
Ice cube.
Yes,
I mean-
sorry. Yes. I feel so cold when I touch the ice.
Okay, now we move to CPK Bahasa, SP Bahasa.
Yes, miss.
Apa sih jenis-jenis makanan yang kita butuhkan?
Jenis-jenis makanan yang kita butuhkan yang berasal dari tumbuhan. Contohnya seperti sayur bayam, kangkung, dan daun ubi.
Mengapa tubuh kita membutuhkan air mineral?
Karena jika kita meminum air mineral, tubuh kita akan sehat.
Sebutkan contoh hewan yang hidup di dua alam.
Katak.
Selain katak,
Selain katak ada kodok. Katak dan kodok berbeda.
ada lagi? Apa nama istilah hewan yang hidup di dua alam?
Amfibi.
Apa makanan bebek?
Makanan bebek adalah biji-bijian.
Hewan apa saja yang bertelur?
Bebek, burung, ayam.
Apa saja hewan yang hidup di darat?
Ada sapi, kuda, jerapah.
Apa saja jenis sayuran yang berwarna hijau?
Ada daun ubi, kangkung, dan bayam.
Buah apa yang berbentuk merah dan bulat?
Apel dan ceri.
Apel dan ceri. Apa nama alat yang kita gunakan untuk mencuci badan saat mandi?
Sabun.
mencuci rambut apa yang kita gunakan?
shampoo.
Bagaimana caranya agar air tidak masuk ke telinga saat mandi?
Kita bisa menggunakan penutup telinga ketika mandi.
Jenis buah apa saja yang memiliki biji?
Ada durian, alpukat, mangga, jeruk.
Apa saja buah yang bijinya besar dan kecil?
Jika dari buah yang berbiji
Yang
besar
biji
ya,
besar.
ada alpukat, mangga, sudah.
Yang
Itu
kecil?
yang kecil ada semangka dan jeruk.
Sebutkan nama-nama hewan apa saja yang kamu ketahui, Miss?
Ada sapi, kerbau, kambing, ayam.
Bagian tubuh mereka apa saja?
Ada kepala, badan, dan kaki.
Apa hewan yang bertubuh besar dan kecil?
Hewan yang bertubuh besar adalah gajah. Hewan yang bertubuh kecil adalah burung merpati.
Apa makanan monyet dan kucing?
Makanan monyet adalah pisang dan makanan kucing adalah ikan.
Apa jenis pohon yang kamu ketahui?
Ada pohon rambutan, pohon mangga, pohon apel.
Apa saja tahapan pertumbuhan tanaman?
Dari akar, lalu batang, daun, bunga, dan buah.
Okay, Miss, I think that's all enough for the lesson for today because I just asked for the rest, right? Okay, so thank you for your time, Miss.